Hello, my name is Jaehyun, and I'm gonna talk about Dogman Unleashed. Chapter 1: The Secret Meeting by George N. Harold. Treehouse Comic proudly presents. Early one morning at the cop station, Dogman was being very obstinate. Hey! Stop it, Dogman! Let it go! Cut it out! Hey, what's this? Chief's birthday. Chief's birthday is today! Let's have a party! We can all help plan it. Calling all cops! And so, I'll make a card, I'll bake a cake. We'll do the decorations. Now all we need is presents. What should we get him? Chief is always forgetting stuff. I know. Let's get him these brain dots to make him smarter. Good thinking. What else? I know. Chief is very lonely. Hey, let's get him a pet to keep him company. What kind of pet? How about a fish? Good. Fish are awesome, and they aren't filthy and obnoxious like dogs. That kind of saddened Dogman out. Okay, it's settled. Dogman, I'm putting you in charge of buying a fish. But remember, don't buy a dead one. Chief does not like to roll around in dead fish. Only you like to do that. So don't buy a dead one. Here, we gotta hurry. Chief will be back in 2 minutes. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Who's a good fish buyer? Dogman got so excited, he flipped. Flipporama! Okay, this will be quite fun. Only I can't do it. Only I'll try to show you this. Okay. There we go. This is the instruction paper. Go get the fish. Oh, hi, dog. Hey! Zoom! Clunk! Dogman! Chapter 2: Penelope's Pets by George N. Harold. Penelope's Pets. Look at that cute dog. Ding ding! Oh no, it's that dog-headed cop again. The pet store people did not like Dogman because he was a total pain. He sampled all of the kibbles, he licked all of the bones, and he played with all of the balls. Cut it out, Dogman! Look at the mess you made! Is that any way for a cop to behave? Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Give me that ball! Here's another flipporama. Drop it! Whoa! Let go! Cut it out! Ow! My arm! Then he saw her. She was beautiful. She was flurry. And she smelled great too. Soon their eyes met. Can I help you? Dogman tried to remember why he was there. Fish. Dogman looked at all the fish. Then he found one. But, that one's dead. Are you sure you want to buy a dead fish? Whatever you do, don't buy a dead fish. Well, the fish cost $5 plus tax. But Dogman had no money. Aha! Just as I suspected. Wait here. Dogman wants to buy a fish, but he ain't got no money. Hey, let's give him that evil fish. What evil fish? Follow me. He came to our pet shop last Friday the 13th, with a wicked heart and a soul as dark as 1,000 midnights. I tried to put him with the other fish, but he took all of the little castles, stole every tiny plastic treasure chest, and bullied each fish who dared to cross his wrecked path. Look upon the fishy face of evil. So we should give in to Dogman. Yeah, why not? Here you go, Dogman, your very own butterfly fish. Hey, it's free, so no complaining. Then, ding ding. How much is that doggy in the window? Oh, that's Zuzu. She's a rescue dog from the shelter next door. She's only $100 plus tax. Okay, here's $100, and here's some tax. Awesome! Here we go. Cool! We're gonna be best friends forever. Everybody, well, goodbye, Hey, you're Dogman! I'm your biggest fan. Here's my card. See you later. Munch, munch. Bye. Okay, now there will be part 2, which read chapter 3 and chapter 4, and part 3, which read chapter 5 and chapter 6, and part 4 that read chapter 7 and chapter 8, and the final one, chapter 9 and chapter 10. So there is some rest of the book, but I'm just going to show the pictures. This will be available to open in 2021, the 1st of 4th.